What is that thoughtful gesture that Kane Williamson and David Warner did for Rashid Khan and Mujibur Rahman? I'm going to be telling you. Uske baad dekhenge why has Akash Chopra blamed KL Rahul for the loss that Punjab had against Delhi Capital? Aur sabse ant mein dekhenge why did Ben Stokes troll Sunil Gavaskar? Hello everybody, welcome to News Tracker. This is the show where we keep you updated about everything happening in the world of cricket. Mera naam hai Nivedna Prabhu. But before I begin the video, if you haven't liked, shared and subscribed to Cricket Tracker as yet, hit that button quickly, and without wasting time, let's begin this video. On one hand, the 14th season of the Indian Premier League is in full swing, and on the other hand, the holy month of Ramadan is also underway. Now, this means cricketers are of course also fasting during this holy month, and in the Sunrisers Hyderabad team, there are 4 players who are currently fasting during Ramadan. That is Rashid Khan, Mujibur Rahman, Khalil Ahmed and of course Mohammad Nabi. But what is really thoughtful and sweet is the fact that overseas players like Kane Williamson and David Warner too have kept a fast along with these players. Now it really shows, a true spirit of respect amongst the cricketers, and also some sort of love and mutual admiration that they have, which is fantastic. And a person actually took to Twitter to really share this entire incident that took place. Now, in that Twitter post shared by Mazhar Arshad, he shows how they are fasting together and captioned it as Kane Williamson and David Warner were fasting. This made me smile. Now, of course, it's a very sweet and thoughtful gesture from both the overseas players for all these 4 players. What did you think about this? Definitely let us know in the comment section below. Now, the Punjab and Delhi clash was a high voltage one last evening. However, despite that partnership of 122 runs in 12.4 overs between Mayank Agarwal and Punjab skipper KL Rahul did not make them win that match against Delhi. Now, there's one person who has really gone all out and blamed KL Rahul for the loss of Punjab's match. It is Indian cricketer turned commentator Akash Chopra. Now, Akash had a lot of things to say about KL Rahul, but for starters, he said that KL Rahul could have contributed a little more to the scoreboard, and he feels like KL Rahul is going to be regretting that knock against Delhi. Now, what did he say entirely about this incident? I'm going to be telling you. Now, Akash Chopra said when Mayank Agarwal got out, KL Rahul was required to accelerate a little, something he did in the first match. He had missed out on a century, but the acceleration was there. Here also the expectation was that he would hit. He did not do that, and when he looks back, he will regret a little because the finish was not strong. Now, this of course Akash Chopra had to say about KL Rahul, but he also went on to say something about Rahul in terms of the kind of pressure he put on Chris Gayle, and which is why Akash feels that, Chris Gayle could really not make the best of the opportunity because he was feeling that pressure and could not score the kind of runs that was required. Now, do you agree with Akash Chopra's statement that KL Rahul is going to look back and regret this particular knock? Let me know in the comment section below. Well, moving on from one Indian cricketer turned commentator to another one, I'm talking about Sunil Gavaskar. Now, this time around, of course, it is Ben Stokes who's actually taken a pot shot at Sunil Gavaskar. Now, why is that? Well, Punjab was taking on Delhi in that particular match, and Kagiso Rabada came in at, to bowl at the 11th over when, of course, KL Rahul was batting in that particular match. Ben Stokes felt like there was a huge indifference in commentary by Sunil Gavaskar. Now, on one hand, Ben Stokes felt like he was being overly critical about Kagiso Rabada, and he did not appreciate that, and he took to Twitter to really show the kind of difference that Sunil Gavaskar gave in that particular piece of commentary. Now, what did Ben Stokes say exactly? Well, I'm going to be telling you that. Ben Stokes in that tweet said, "Commentator, such a poor bouncer. If you want to bowl a bouncer, it must be over off stump." Now, in the replay, then Sunil Gavaskar says, "Bouncer line directly over off stump." And Ben Stokes said, "Me, face palm." Well, basically Ben Stokes is trying to say, you know, how it was said initially, and then when the replay came, how Sunil Gavaskar changed that stance, and in the end Ben Stokes was just having a facepalm expression as to like what is really happening here, and which is why he trolled Sunil Gavaskar. But what do you all think about this incident? Are you on Gavaskar's side or are you on Stokes' side? Definitely let me know in the comment section below. Well, with that, it's a wrap on this edition of the News Tracker. If you like the video, you know what to do. Give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and of course, if you're not following us on any of our social media channels as yet, what are you waiting for? Follow us quickly so that you can stay updated about everything happening in the world of cricket. My name is Nivedna Prabhu. I'll be seeing you very soon, but until I see you next time, tell me this: which team in the IPL currently is looking in great form and you think that they have the chances of lifting the title of the 14th season of the IPL? I will be seeing you very soon. Until then, take care and stay safe.